Namaskar. If you have ever set a 5 a.m. alarm with big dream to becoming that person, productive, peaceful, ahead of the world, and then hit a snooze 6 times before waking up at 8:30, this video is for you. Waking up early sounds amazing in theory. You have probably heard that CEOs, athletes, monks, everyone successful wakes up early. But how do you actually do it? Today I'll teach you a simple but powerful system to make a 5 a.m. wake up habit, even if you are not a morning person. And towards the end, I'll also share with you 2 powerful rituals that make early mornings feel beautiful. Step 1. Let's start with why do you want to wake up early at 5 o'clock? Because it is just to follow a trend. It won't last. But if it's to write your books, work out in peace, and finally have some time for you, now that's the reason that can pull you out of the slumber. That's the emotional reason. Now let's get to the practical shift that makes getting up early a doable. And I would recommend you to try this tonight itself. Step 2 is the reverse alarm technique. See, most people don't realize that waking up early starts the night before. That is, if you sleep early, only then can you wake up early. So set a reverse alarm at least 1 hour before your ideal sleep time. Say 9 p.m. When it rings, that's your sign to wind down. Put your phone away, dim the light, do something calm like reading, journaling, or light stretches. This helps your brain disconnect and prepares your body to sleep deeper and faster. Step 2 is about training your body. Now step 3. Let's train your brain with one simple trick that removes the struggle from 5 a.m. wake up. Step 3 is about anchoring your morning to something you love. So your alarm clock alone will not get you out of your bed. Motivation alone is also not enough. You need a reward to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Think about it. Children wake up early when there is a school trip. Why? Not because they slept well, but because it is something exciting they are waiting for. So what's your morning happiness reason that you will wake up at 5 a.m. every day? Here are some doable anchors you can try. A hand brew cup of herbal kada on your balcony while the city sleeps. 15 minutes your favorite podcast without interruption. Lighting incense or candle and journaling a single thought that's being on your mind. A quick watercolor sketch. Even if you are not an artist, it is meditative. Dancing to your comfort songs for 3 minutes. The point is making your morning feel like a treat but not a task. Step 4. Use sleep loop technique. In this technique, instead of forcing yourself out of bed with a jarring alarm, condition your brain to get associated with a specific sound with waking up peacefully and consistently. Here's what you have to do. Pick one calming but uplifting sound like bird sound, flute, ocean waves, or a specific instrumental track. Set it as a wake-up tone every day. As soon as it plays, do the same sequence. Sit up, smile, yes, even fake it. Stretch your arms overhead. This creates a loop habit. Sound, action, state of alertness. Over time, your brain will respond to this loop. Automatically, you will wake up smoother with less resistance. Train your brain to wake up without needing any motivation with just a few loops. And step 5, create a 20-minute no input zone. Make the first 20 minutes of your morning a sacred and distraction free. No phone, no news, no WhatsApp, no checking weather or email, just you, your body, your breath, and your mind. Here, a simple no input zone sequence. Splash cold water on your face. Breathe deeply for 1 minute. Sit in silence or stretch. Drink warm water or your favorite morning drink. This gives your brain time to wake up on your own terms without hijacking the other people's energy. Before the world pours into you, give yourself a moment to fill your own cup. Now, let me give you 2 more tips to build this habit. First, natural light in 10-minute rule. That is, within 10 minutes of waking up, expose your eyes to outdoor natural light. Even if it is cloudy, it resets your body clock, boosts alertness, and train your brain to feel sleepy at night. Even standing by your window counts. Next, right after you wake up, drink a glass of water with pinch of Himalayan salt and squeeze half lemon. This rehydrates your cell, gives you mild energy, boosts and sets your digestion in motion. Think of it as your natural internal wake-up call. Here's the truth. Waking up 5 a.m. in the morning isn't about discipline. It is about how you design. You plan to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. You don't have to force yourself. You just have to set up the right signals to protect your nights and build morning that makes you feel to wake up. Start small. Wake up 20 minutes earlier this week. Layer it one habit at a time. Before you know it, you will wake up like one of those people who wake up 5 a.m. every day. Namaskar.